Good morning. Yes, you're welcome. You're welcome. Highly welcome. 100% welcome. Onye nwere ihe ukwu dagutere nuruoo. Ekele dịrị Jehova, anyị narutelu ndo. Yes, your good morning. Good morning, good morning, my good people. You're highly welcome. Thank you for for showing up this hour. Here is approximately 15 minutes past 10 p.m. Yes, I know you know exactly your time right now. This is very big night here, but I decided to come online right now because of what is bothering me. But I'm very, very sorry that I may not continue this conversation or this broadcast in Igbo. But before in English, sorry. But before I proceed in the language which is Igbo, I wish to thank all my beloved followers, both here in Facebook and those that have already visited my new page. I said, may God bless you. For those of you that already like, love, follow my new page, Chief Ezoku Bonto, Nkowalile, and I must say, Yadronoma. God bless you. And for those of us who are also following me in YouTube, I said God bless you. For those of you who are watching on all my broadcasts online, you are wonderful people. God bless you. Yes, I have come again today. We cannot stop talking. We will continue to proceed. We will talk things that is matters, things that will bring our people, to acknowledge, to understand how things work, how life is all about. We will continue. You are so wonderful. You guys are marvelous. Before I proceed in Igbo language, I wish to leave this small word for those of us who cannot be able to understand when I'm going to switch over to Igbo language. Please, I want you to know that Christmas is around the corner. I want you to know that Christmas is around the corner. As you're planning to go home, to go and visit your loved ones, please don't eat and spend even your last card. Don't go home with all that you made in a year. Don't go home with all your whole income that you make in a year. Make sure you have plan 1, plan A, and plan B, and plan C. As you're going home, for those of us that is gonna travel to their villages to visit their relatives, those that is going to maybe get married, traditional weddings, parties, burials, birthday parties, marriages, house opening houses, all sorts of occasions this season. Please remember to have plan A and B and C. This is Chief Ahwezoku Ekwoyankombo Owalile, the only chief that can tell you the truth. Yes, I'm from Bisa, precisely. Yes, but today I have this speculation. Maybe I can speak in English or Igbo, but it's like I may continue with English right now, because many of my followers are complaining from time to time that they want to follow me, they want to listen to my broadcast in English, and they are enjoying it. You know, yes, they are always enjoying it. So, my good people, I want to urge you, as you're planning to go Christmas, please, the 2020 is a very tough year. It's a very tough year. 2020 is a tough year. It was good at the beginning, but before you know it, the pandemic started. Until today, the whole world, turned into disaster. So please, as you're going home this year, you are still alive. You are still, you know what I mean? You are still alive. You are still healthy. You are still, kicking, as we can say. Please, have plan A, have plan B, and have plan C. Don't go home and spend all that you made in a year, because January is coming. 2021 is around the corner, and don't come back and begin to complain, and don't come back begin to complain and blame your old man, your old woman, the elders of your country, your city, your village, your family, that they have caged you. From there, you will be going from one native doctor to the other, from one fake prophet to the other, in order, you know what I mean, to see vision and to prophesize for you. To avoid all those crap, have plan A, have plan B, and have plan C. As you're planning to go home, sugar doesn't finish in the market. Salt cannot finish in the market. Pepper cannot finish in the market. Take note. Use your brain, and don't let another person to indicate to you that your shoes, which you are often used, is paining your leg. Try to tell people that my shoe is paining me. This is Chief Ezoku Bondo. Worldwide. I say it as I say it. Now, I have this very important message to pass. For a few days, few weeks, I have been quiet. I calm myself. I don't want to talk. When I come back, many times when I came back from work, I surely got tired. So I wouldn't be able to say anything. Even though I saw many things, but I really ignored them. But today I want to address this. I want to address our African ladies today. Our African ladies, this morning is for you. I decided right now to continue with English to enable some of you to understand what I'm about to talk. When I'm going to speak to my people, I will use our dialect. But this is a general advice to everybody. Please, if you are all these ladies, all these our African ladies who are in Facebook, or maybe you are a man who are using the identity, the picture of a lady putting in your profile, this message is for you. I have been gotten many messages Many people, many ladies sent me many messages about their problems. I have never received any message from Europe, white people in Europe, white people in Asia, white people in America, white people in Australia, or any other part of the world than the message that I have been receiving from our African ladies. My question is this: our African ladies, what is wrong with you? What is going on in your life? How can somebody will send me a message telling me that she has been calling the brother, and the network was wrong, and she want me to call the brother and tell the brother that there is a money that she paid into his account, and I will come back to her and tell her. Does such story make sense? I want to ask, does that make sense? A lady will send you a message and tell you that she's been calling the brother, she's been calling the sister, she's been calling the parents, and unfortunately she don't get hold on them because of network issues. And she sent the message to you, to me, whom you don't know, to go and contact your brother, to go and contact your sister, your uncle, and tell them that you have been calling. Does that make sense? That you paid money into the account. Does that make sense? Does that make sense to you? Oh, come on. Oh, come on. You have to be wise this time. What is wrong with you, African ladies? What is wrong? I want to ask you this. What is wrong with you? Why do you engage yourselves in these nasty things, those crabs? If you are a man that is using the picture of a lady, why do you choose to do those nonsensicalities? Why? Why do you choose to humiliate yourself? Of course, those of you that always send such crap to me can receive their blue, because I don't give a damn. How can you, and some of you that hide under the umbrella or the shadow of Facebook, giving people that you don't know business proposal? I want to ask you a question. Why is it your business if I'm rich or not? Why is it your business that I will get rich? Why? Why do you want me to be rich? Tell me. Why is it your concern? What is it your business that Chief Amezoku Nkembu will be rich? Why? Why is it your business? You have your church member or your Muslim brothers or sisters. You have your maybe traditional blah blah blah. You have your people in the street of your community, in your village. You have many people, poor people that you're supposed to go, that you know, and you ignore them. A chief, you are a god, you are angel of mercy, and now you are sending message to people whom you don't know to be rich. Does that make sense to you? Listen, my people. Maybe you have fall into those things that I'm pinpointing here. I want you to be very, very careful. There are many of those crabs that are hiding under the shadow of Facebook. Try to siphon people. Try to fraud people. The original name is fraud. For all those our ladies, African ladies, I said African ladies should stop this crap. African ladies, stop this nonsense. African ladies, many of you have humiliated yourself to nothing. How can you see a man that you have never seen for the first time, that you don't even know, and you are starting presenting business proposal, and you started, telling the person to call your relatives and tell them, and call your uncle and tell them, and call your cousin and tell them, and call your brothers and sisters and tell them. My people, fraud alert. Be careful. Be careful whom you accept as your friend. Be careful whom you will accept as your friends. Some of them are crabs, full of nasty things. Some of them are not serious for their lives. Some of them are there only to destroy people. Only, how can you, a grown-up girl, let's assume, how can you be a grown-up girl? You wake up in the morning, you have phone, you downloaded Facebook, you started sending people message for help. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Okay, had it been that those people are doing the same thing that you're doing, sending message, who will help who? Who is going to help who? Who is going to help who? You have to know that an idle man automatically is a devil's workshop. Engage yourselves with something positive. Engage your brain with something meaningful. Engage your brain with something that is productivities, and stop messing around and stop destroying the name of Africans. I am ashamed of you, all of you who are going around spraying this nonsensical things, image to people, presenting African women that is very, very good women, a prestigious ladies of Africa. You are presenting them to nonsense people. You are presenting the image of Africans ladies into negativity. You that is doing such crap, you may succeed today, but tomorrow is going to be very hot on you. For those of you who hide under the shadow of this Facebook, sending those crap messages to people, telling people, that you sent money to your brother, you call your brother did not answer because of network issues, that you should contact your brother and come back to you. Call this number now. You are a fool. You are a fool. So many of you that are doing this, and so many of those ladies who are on Facebook begging, you have to shine your eyes and start doing something meaningful, and start doing something that can lead you into prosperity. If you're tired, go and get married. Yes, you have something. Many people have proposed to you, you refuse. Why do you refuse them? Do you only believe in ready-made? You want the home you will enter, there is light, there is water, there is kitchen, there is upstairs, downstairs, everything, cars everywhere. Why do you have such mentality? Why can't you go into a rough home and start from the scratch building that home? Why can't you build your home? Why can't you go and build a home by yourself? Why do you want to wait until somebody build a home and invited you to come and balance and eat? So I am urging you today, our African ladies, please, you have to stop this crap. It's not a good image. It's not a good image to our great people. our people of Africans are suffering from something that we caused by ourselves. Now listen to me, our people. I urge you, wherever you are, listen to me. Please share this message. For all those ladies, maybe you are a man. Maybe you are a man. I don't know. Maybe you are a man. Which I hope some of them may be men. But they put the Facebook, they put ladies' pictures. Maybe some of you are men. Yes, some of you may be men. But you hide under the shadow of Facebook and sending people crap message by telling people to contact your brother that you send them money. You want to fraud people. You are frauding people. This is your business. I am telling you, if you don't stop, as long as I said it, go and mark my word, you are going to receive it very hard. The Bible says that there will be no peace for the wicked. When you sleep at night, and everything that can come into your memory as a human being is how to fraud people, how to defraud people, how to send people a nonsensical message of fraud in order to fraud them. You are disgracing African ladies. Do you know that African ladies have prestige? Do you know what you're talking? Do you know that Africans are the best? Do you know that? You don't know? You don't know that African, this skin you're seeing here, this skin is the best. Do you know what the damage is that you're doing to this African culture? This look at it. Do you know the type of thing you're doing to this skin? This black skin? And some of you have white people in your profiles. This is the crap you're sending to them. When they see beautiful African queens, they are bringing them down. God will not forgive you. God will not forgive your generation. As many as those who are doing those nonsense on Facebook because of their own selfish interest, because they want to earn money, because they want to be rich, because they want the money to come into their pocket, God will not forgive you. And you are inviting disasters in your life. Please share this message. I urge you, please, my own people, as soon as you get this message, you hit on the button, you hit directly share and let the people know it. Our African ladies, listen. If you are not doing anything, start now. The year is about to finish. 2020 is ending in few weeks' time. You have to start right now and plan. For those of you who can see my last post in my page, that is what you're gonna do. If you want every year to be successful to you, start now planning it right now. Plan ahead. Don't wait till the 2020 arrives. No, plan it now and stop this crap in Facebook. You can sell tomatoes. You can sell pure water. You can sell granite. You can sell moi moi. You can sell banana. You can sell everything to make a living. You can sell everything. To sell banana cannot cost nothing. To start selling granite to take care of your own self cannot cost you anything. How can you, let's assume that you are really serious. How can you meet a man? You just meet a man right now and you start telling that man your problem. What's wrong with you? I got a lot of messages. Every day I am sick of all this. I am sick of all those nonsensality, rubbish messages. I am tired of it. That's why I'm calling all our ladies. That's why I'm calling all African ladies. For years I have been receiving those crap. But this year, no day that I don't got nonsense message. They're sending to me. Why? Begging. Why? Call it, give you an informant. Go and call my brother. I have been calling my brother because of the poor network. I decided to ask you to call him and tell him that I sent money into his account, and please come back to me and tell me. In Okwamakoko, have you ever heard such crap before? Where do you study? Where do you go to attend the school? What kind of thing do you learn? Because you want rich, you can do everything. You can just betray yourself. You can just humiliate yourself. You are a fool. You are not responsible. If you are really responsible, you could behave yourself. You could have act like a human being. You could have act like a great person. You cannot see, even though you are hungry, there is no way you will see somebody immediately, a man from nowhere. You see the man, immediately you begin to tell the man, I am hungry, I am hungry, I am hungry. I have not eaten since 2 days' time. I have not eaten since 2 years' time. Are you a fool? What image are you portraying before that person? You are just bringing yourself down. You are just bringing yourself down. African ladies, shine your eyes. You are just bringing yourself down. You are just killing yourself down. You are just killing your mentality. You are just killing your style. You are just killing yourselves. I'm not talking of those African ladies that are industrious. We have powerful ladies in Africa who are serious, who are doing their businesses, who are doing everything it takes, who has it, who are doing it, who are doing well. I'm not talking of them. I'm talking of this majority, those crap, those people who hide, who are lazy, mentality lazy, financial lazy, physical lazy, psychological lazy. They are nothing. They only on Facebook having fun. Send me a card. I need a card. Who is going to send you that card? Who is that person? Who is that person to you? African ladies. Who is that person that will send you the card? That person who will send him card. Somebody you have never seen for the first time. You started presenting your family background, poverty from your side. You start to present poverty. You start to present that you are a poor, that you are mentally sick. What type of lady is that? Do you see the reason why in Africa today our ladies don't easily get married? Do you see the cause? Do you see the problem that made our African ladies, they are hardly to get married? Some of them. Do you know the reason why? They always bring down themselves before a man instead of selling their career. Do you know why you make resume? You have resume before you apply for a job. Do you know why? That resume is your image, is whom you are. In the normal circumstances, that very what they call it, the resume that you are about to present is whom you are. And that resume, or what is called another powerful document that's called motivation letter, attached to the resume. Do you know that that is exactly something that talk about you, who sell you are, who's, if it's in a football team that sells your career? Do you know that? Do you know that the resume that you sell that you have before you apply for a job. You have what is called a resume or CV. You know what I mean? Do you know that CV attached with motivation letter? Do you know that these two items is what made you, is what will sell you, is what is going to present you before your employer? Do you know that? If your resume is crap, the employer will not. They put it under their cupboard or in the distance, and they just put it in the garbage because they know this is nothing. The way your resume is what will motivate an employer to call you. If your resume is crap, nobody calls you. You sent your resume 20 million people, nobody calls you. Go back and check that resume. You don't have anything positive there. You don't have anything there. So, to our ladies, African ladies, you must be careful. Don't bring your poverty to people. Don't ever try to give people your poverty. If your poverty, keep that your poverty. Can't you have respect for yourself? Why is it everybody's not going to be rich? Everybody will not be poor. Everybody will not be educated. Everybody may not be wise. Everybody may not be rich. So what I'm urging you now is this. Please, for those of our African ladies who are hide under Facebook, frauding people, your days are numbers. And I'm telling you now that you are doing more harm than good to all the rest of African ladies. I have never seen an American sending somebody that nonsense message. I have never seen Asians. I have never seen any other tribe, any other nations except Africans. Why are you so desperate? Why are you creating poverty and curse to yourself? Why? What? Who taught you this crap? Who told you that doing such can give you something positive in your life? Who is telling you? Who taught you? Tell me. Who tell you that? Who tell you that doing those things you're doing on Facebook can motivate a man to come to you? Who tell you that? How do you assume that whenever you tell man such crap, the man will come to you? What you're doing is to say that you are a prostitute. What it proves that you are a fraud. What it proves is that you are nothing. You are only but crap, a beggar. You have to stop right now before it will be late. We are going into 2021. Start now. Start now and plan for your future. Start now and plan what you are going to be next year. Start now and lay the foundation of your 2021 budget. And start now and know how it's gonna work. I watched one video yesterday. I was short of breath. Where a lady is saying that she needs 2 million naira to go and boost to her breast and her bottom. Why? That is, she is, please, if somebody can give it to me now, borrow me 2 million that next year she's going to pay. Do you see? I ask myself, where this type of human being came from? Where are they from? You want somebody to borrow you 2 million, 2 cool million. You can't do any other thing. You go to the hospital so that you have big breast. So you go to the hospital, the doctor will give you, your bottom will be like a trailer load. Then in 2021, you pay the person. Okay, wait till 2021 so you get that money instead of borrowing to go and do it. Wait for 2021, even 2022, until you build that money and do it by yourself without even borrowing it from anybody. Do you see how I am always think that our people, I am short of words. I couldn't sleep tonight. This is approximately 10 minutes to 11 p.m. right here. But the sleep is no longer coming in these eyes. Why? I am thinking about tomorrow of our African ladies. I am thinking, oh God, I am seeing disastrous. I am seeing danger tomorrow for our African ladies. I am seeing it. I can feel it. Oh my Jesus, I can feel it. It's just, I can feel it that tomorrow is going to be very hard. Because of what? Number one, lack of plan. Number two, lack of, lack of somebody to be positive, a positive minded. Three, lack of vision. Tell me, all these our ladies who are begging men on Facebook. You beg a man a recharge card. You beg a man internet. You beg a man you are hungry. You beg a man that to call your brother and tell him that you pay money into his account and come and tell you, messenger, emergency messenger. All these things. Are you telling me maybe you are 20 years or 15 or 30? I don't know. Okay, what is your mission when you get 60 years? What will be your mission, your vision, when you get 60, 65, 70, 80? Imagine, I want you to tell me exactly your mission. What is your plan that you program? What that program that you have? What is your project? What are you going to be in the next 1 year? If that your account block, if that your phone broke, if that phone eventually you came out and somebody stole that phone, what else do you have at hand? Have you seen that African ladies don't have plan? I am ashamed. I am ashamed of all those ladies that always on Facebook begging men money. Oh, their school. Oh, our school is no longer. Oh, I need money to pay my school fees. Oh, I need money for my card. Oh, I need money to pay my house rent. Oh, I need money for my mother. Oh, my father is sick. Oh, my brother is sick. Oh, my uncle is dead. Oh, my... Hey? Are you telling me that these people are serious? Are you really telling me, convincing Chief Izuku Wondo, are you gonna convince me that those people are human beings? How are you going to convince a man to marry you, Madam Beggar? How are you going to convince a man to know that you have something upstairs? How are you going to convince a man that you are a positive person that is going to impart positivity into the family. What do you have to offer in the family that is going to marry you? Do you see that you are doing yourself harm? Africans, that is so. Do you know how many people that call me big people only to touch my skin black? Only they will call me, come, Chief, come. Only they don't need any nothing from me. Only they want to touch my skin. They want to know exactly how this skin is. A beautiful skin, black or chocolate color. Call it chocolate color. Call it a chocolate color. This, look at it. A very good skin that God gave Africans. But our ladies are killing this skin and making this skin valueless and making this skin to be nonsense and mispresented this skin to the world. When the white people are seeing us, they are telling me, I know many of my colleagues at work who are telling me how people, our ladies are begging them money on Facebook. Does it mean that you will not be hungry? Somebody give you food and you tell the person that you are not hungry. Does it mean that you are hungry and somebody call you to give you food and you tell that person, please, I'm full, I will not eat, I'm okay? Which means you are nothing. You are nothing. Please, I urge you to share this message. Share this broadcast. I am sick of African ladies. I am sick of them. They have destroyed their image to the world. They have destabilized themselves, although some of them, remark my word, I did not say all of them, all our ladies. No, I said some of them, but they are majority. Those majority who are looking for, ready-made home, they are looking for a man that have 10 cars, 100 cars, a man that have mansions all the whole world, a man that will give them everything they want, a man that always, the love they have is open their legs. This is the ones I'm talking about. I'm not talking about those our hard-working ladies, those our hard-working, learned ladies who are working hard to survive. I say bravo, our ladies who are working hard. But you see those ones, those crabs, I call them crabs, on Facebook, who are there only to sell their stupidity to the world. You don't know whom you are sending nonsense message to. You don't even know his background. You don't even know whom he is. You don't even know what he can do. You only sending such person message of stupidity, telling a man to call your brother whom you will by yourself say that you have been calling the same brother, that there was no network, and you are calling a man whom you don't know to go and please call that your brother. What network the person is going to use to contact your brother? Which network? Who will send that network? As you have called your brother, there was no network. Why do you ask somebody to try to call? Why? African ladies, if you want to retain your prestige, Start today, rethink. Look, you can make money without those crabs. I said it before. No matter where you are, people are drinking water. Water alone can make you to survive. That to whom you are in the morning, you will see a grown-up lady, ask her, what are you doing for a living? She will tell you that nothing. Very easy, nothing. Does that make sense? Your days are going. Your time, you waste your time in Facebook only having phone. As you have the phone like this, that is all. You have it only typing, sending. I need card. I need a recharge card. Many times I saw scrap something they post online. Some will tell you, oh, I need this. And who will give me this? Does that mean that that person is serious? The person is full of shit. A man can never love you because you are a beggar. A man will love you because you have something to offer. You have a very big thing, a very big impact to play, a wing to play in his life, not because you are crap begging for him. In fact, even though you say the man hello, you start presenting crap things to him. That is the time you kill your career. No man, no responsible man can listen to a problem. Every responsible man don't want somebody. They know they're going to solve those problems, but there is no way you just meet a man. You started presenting. My dad died because I don't have money. My mother is in the hospital. Even our house rent, we have never paid it since 1 year. Even to eat is problem. Even banana we cannot buy. Even with crayfish. Even today I have never eat. Even yesterday we did not eat. Even tomorrow we are not going to eat. What do you think that man will do? The man will say, oh, I'm sorry, before you don't eat. If you send message to him, either blocking you shit or they will not talk to you anymore. Who caused it is you, because you have nothing to offer. You have nothing to offer it to a man. You don't have anything to make a man to believe in you. You don't have any fucking thing that it takes to be a good housewife. What you are full of shit. What you have, you are not contented with what you have. You don't even know that people don't have that food you have, and they are still be happy doing what they are doing to be alive, to make business. Let me tell you, many ladies, white ladies, they don't take shower. Do you know what is called shower? They have the money, they have the apartment, their own. They have their cars, their own. Some of them, they are full. This Facebook you have, you are clamoring, you are shouting, it's like you're heading. They don't even go there. They have it. They don't even have the time to type. I mean, white ladies. They don't even have time. They don't, I say they don't have bath. Put my word, I say they don't take shower. White ladies. Their brain every day, they are thinking what to do in order to make something positive. Your own, you will take your time. You go and dress. You take your time, shower 20 million times in a day. You take your time, paint your leg, paint your man. Why people, they don't even, I know many of them, my colleagues at work, they don't even do what you call makeup. How can they do it? Somebody that is finishing work, start to work 7 o'clock in the morning and finish at night. She's even going home, only change her underwear and sleep. But you are own. You have this right. But you have a lot of things to do. What the only time you have is to send them men a crap message. I have contacted my brother. Please, can you help me and call my brother? Some will tell you, please, can you can you help me? I have this problem that is bothering me. Can you help me out? Please, I am sick now. Please, can you help me out? I am not a doctor, guy. I am not a doctor. If you're sick, you go to the hospital. I need some financial. Why? Why can't you go to the bank and take the money? Go to the government and get them money. I'm not telling you that to help people is bad, but you will help people who need that help. I don't help people who don't deserve it. How can you be a young lady, you are not thinking about tomorrow? Why can't you think about your tomorrow? Why can't you think about tomorrow? Why can't you think about how you are going to do for your tomorrow, for the rest of your fucking life? Why can't you think that tomorrow is going to be glitter, is going to be shine, is going to be... Oh, why can't you think, you stupid idiots? Why? Why can't you think? Why do you always believe that men will give you? Men will give me lipstick, give me panty, give me... Only what you give is only to open your legs. Is that what you think? Look, I don't give a shit. Okay? I don't give a damn. I will tell you as it is. If you like, unfriend me. If you like, unfollow me. That's not my business. I don't even have anything to do with all that. But I must tell you the truth. You shall know the truth. The truth must set you free. I want to see African ladies that is proud. African ladies that is exemplary to other nations of the world. I want to see an African lady that is respectful. An African lady that has something to offer in her brain. Not to deceive, not to deceit, not to try to bring herself down. I love to see those African ladies who are proud of themselves, who can hit their chest and say that I can do this for myself. Nobody did it to me. Those Africans who can sell pure water and go back to school. Those African ladies who cannot look for their parents, who cannot think that their mother, they are all poor, and they start from scratch and build their life in honesty and truth. This is the type of lady that I am like to meet. I love to meet those African ladies that are exemplary to others, who have something, who has something here. When they talk to you, you know that they have something right here. Not African ladies that are beggars, that hide under the shadow of Facebook and became beggars. I want to see those African ladies who are pretty in upstairs, who has something here, who can only go and start selling crayfish no matter their qualifications and make a living, who can go back and know how to make shoes and know how to make clothes and know how to make hair and harbor themselves and hide their qualifications. At the end of the day, they use it as an exemplary. They implement what they learn in the school, from the school, and implement it into their life, daily living. This is the type of lady of African that I want to see. I don't want to see those crap who are basing their faculty, their future in begging money from men. That's rubbish. If you're my sister, my junior sister cannot do those crap because she can't call me all the time telling me, Uncle, I need money. Shut up. Come on, get out from me. Are you crazy? Use your brain. Go back to school. If you don't go back to school, go and learn. If you don't, people are eating granite. People are eating, do you know fufu? Pounded yam. pounded cassava. People are eating it. Why don't you think that you can do something and survive? Do you think that your nerves matters when you don't have money? That nerves that you're putting, that rubbish nerves, you put the rubbish nerves doing like, do you think that it matters to people like us? We don't even care whether your nerves are clean or rubbish. What we care is something here. Nobody cares. A responsible man don't look at all those things. Men like women, yes, I agree, but not when you are inconvenienced to them. No man, no man. I tell you, no man that will stand and love a crab that always coming to him every time bringing problems. Like our churches, who always tell you that somebody is pursuing you. Every time they are seeing vision, the disasters, they don't see any good thing. Or the whole vision is something bad must happen. Nothing else. Something bad must happen. This is what they will tell you. What of good? Why God say that his desire to us is good, not bad? Where is that? God said that his desire. What he has for us is his thinking, his mentality, his thought for us is good. But they will tell us that is bad. That's crap. So my sister, I love you all, but I don't love any stupid nonsense thing. I love you. I want you to be great. I want you to come out and boast. I want you to come out with respect. I know how many people I have empowered to do something. But people who are serious to survive. Not those beggars. Even though you give them, do you know how many people they are sending message? They are only sending message to people. They send a day, they are immediately they have the phone, only sending men message. I need this. I need that. I don't have food. I have never eat. My husband is dead. My uncle died last night. I live with my uncle. Even the wife want to kill me. I'm looking for my own house. I want to look for money. I want to go and build my own. I need a place to live. I want to put my head somewhere. I need to go. This is what they will be telling you. I will not be a poor man again. You are right, my brother. So, my dear sisters, I urge you to buckle up. I urge you to stand right now. Begin to make change in your life. Start to pick up all your pieces. Anywhere it fall, start picking them up and build yourself. We are going to New Year. Stop this crap. You have done it so many times. Stop it. And start doing something positive. Listen, if you are getting it right today, it's for your own good. I don't even know you. I'm not even coming to enjoy it with you. It's you that will enjoy it. It's you that is going to enjoy it by yourself, not even me. I don't even have time. I don't even care. Some men will be hiding, pretending, but it's not chief. I tell you as I say it. I would continue telling you. I want you to be somebody. I want you to protect this beautiful skin. Chocolate black skin. People respect us. Anywhere I go, I want to see my sisters, African sisters, that I'll be proud of. I want to see you, that when I see you, I'll be motivated. I don't want to see those crap who are still begging every day. You beg me today, you beg the other man tomorrow, you bake the other one the next day. If we are 10, you bake all of us and eat. What will be the next thing after you baking 5 people, 10 people? What will be the next step? How are you going to survive? It is time you think. Plan ahead of 2021. Plan ahead, and 2021 is around the corner. And stop messing yourself up. This is my advice for you. I thank you for listening. Thank you for sharing this important message. And thank you once again. Before I round up, I want to urge and want to tell those our brothers, men, who hide under the pictures of ladies. They hide it in their profile. They pretend that they are ladies and they are sending those crap to people, because I can understood quite sure that some of those things men are doing it. I say some men are doing it. I want to tell you, if you are doing that, you are a man. A man, you hide using women's picture to try to fraud people. God will not forgive you. We are going into 2021. Think with yourself. Think about your life. Think about your heart. Think about your family. Think about what you are going to do when you are 50. When you are 60, what will be your step? When you are 50, what are you going to be? This is a question you must ask yourself. This is my message to you. This message is just raw. I said it and I continue saying it, and nothing can change it unless you repent. For those men who hide every time they are using women's pictures, try to send people, try to defraud people, try to beg people. You are a man. You are a man. You are not blind. You are not deaf. You are not crippled. You are walking. You need a car. You need a house. You need a home. You want to travel. All these plans, you have made them available right on your desk, but you are planning using your hand to destroy all those your plan by defrauding people. Your days are not bad. My advice to you today, stop, revise about time, and wait. Have a program, have a vision. 2021 is around the corner. Let this year go and let it go, and let it go forever. This is my advice to you. Once again, I am your beloved brother. I am your beloved man, Chief Ezoku Wonto Kowalile. Thank you very much for listening, and I wish you a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of your day, and don't forget to share. Thank you very much. I love you.